Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for glowing skin. This nourishing soup is packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that are crucial for a healthy complexion. It helps hydrate your skin, maintaining its elasticity and giving it a radiant glow. The powerful nutrients also support natural collagen production, which can visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties work to soothe your skin and minimize redness, promoting an even tone. To create your skin-glowing soup, gather a vibrant array of vegetables. Carrots are fantastic, offering beta-carotene which converts to vitamin A, essential for skin repair. Spinach is a powerhouse, providing both vitamin C and E to protect your skin from daily environmental stressors. Don't forget tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps shield your skin. For the base, use a high-quality bone broth or vegetable broth, adding beneficial amino acids that support collagen production. Making this soup is straightforward and enjoyable. First, chop all your chosen vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Next, in a large pot, sauté aromatic vegetables like 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, pour in 6 cups of broth and add your harder vegetables, simmering for 20 minutes. Finally, stir in your leafy greens and cook for an additional 5 minutes until everything is tender. Once your delicious soup is ready, serve it warm, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients. For consistent skin benefits, aim to enjoy 1 to 2 bowls of this nourishing soup daily. Remember, this soup works best as part of a holistic approach to skin health, so pair it with a balanced diet and ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For enhanced nutrient absorption, consider stirring in 1 tablespoon of a healthy fat like avocado oil just before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.